TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. In today's video, I have 7 different job leads for you. They're all part-time work from home. Some of them even pay up to $66 an hour. That is fabulous for a work from home job. We have social media, we have customer service, we have healthcare, we have a little bit of a something for everyone. Of course, the links to all the pages I share are always linked down in the YouTube description box below this video. I do just want to ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads that I share, give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, and sharing with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. I also just want to start out saying that if you are celebrating the upcoming Labor Day holiday this weekend or on Monday, that you have a safe and fabulous time with your friends and family. So today I am going to try not to make this video as long as possible, let you get your weekend started. So with that being said, I don't have the Glassdoor pages like I normally do pulled up. Please, as a reminder, do your own research on any companies before giving them any of your personal information. But diving right on in, first up we have Live Nation hiring a customer success specialist. Now this is a part-time work from home position. Now Live Nation manages different platforms and Veeps is one of those. It's a live stream concert platform for the music industry, and that Veeps platform is expanding their customer service. So you're going to be improving the customer experience, ultimately driving expansion of the company. They are looking for people to work the West Coast hours, so I believe that's going to be the Central Standard Time Zone. You do need to be willing to work evenings and weekends. But if that is something you're interested in, they're looking for somebody to provide expert level product support to their customers through live chat and email. You'll be the main point of contact for inquiries regarding purchasing, technical troubleshooting, and various frequently asked questions, managing those support cases for issues, making sure they're recorded, tracked, and resolved, and any follow-up that needs to be done is done. You'll follow standard procedures for proper escalation of unresolved issues, and you'll investigate any claim and refund scenarios. They are looking for somebody who has 2 years of customer-facing customer service role, someone who is a tech-savvy, can be detail-oriented, and be self-sufficient, so a self-starter with great analytical skills. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree. Again, this is part-time. They're looking for somebody to work 15 to 20 hours a week. And pay for this position is anywhere from $16.80 an hour all the way up to $21 an hour. Next up, if you're looking for a very part-time job, Mod Squad always has different temporary part-time things. They're more like projects that you can work on. They partner with all of these big companies like the NBA and things like that, and they have companies that have projects that they need done that won't require hiring on a full-time staff because it's just a project, and once it's done, that's it. So they hire Mod Squad to get people to do these temporary projects. So they are looking for somebody to be an engagement moderator. This is again remote, part-time in the United States. So mods assist and guide customers to the right answers, solve concerns, and are the GPS or go-to for the customer. This project specifically is partnering with a great client that fosters a unique power of social media to drive positive marketing ROI by honing and humanizing their client's social media presence. So you are going to be handling that social media engagement. Now, they are looking for somebody to work Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays, 8 to 10 a.m., so 5 hours a week or so, and this is a 90-day part-time position. Good thing about these temporary positions, you can get that experience, put it on your resume, and then that's just more to go towards getting your permanent dream job. Now, they are looking for somebody who can speak English well, someone who has worked in moderation or social media before, somebody who can make good judgment calls and have ability to identify trending topics. You do have to be comfortable using tech like Slack, email, text, calls, that sort of thing. They do offer paid orientation, but unfortunately, they do not list the pay for this position. They state that needs to be discussed in the interview. But if social media is your thing, the company TNTP, they're a national nonprofit founded by teachers. They are looking for a part-time social media associate. They're looking for somebody to specifically work up to 25 hours a week, supporting the brand and marketing teams. It's a home-based office anywhere in the United States, and they're looking for somebody who can start immediately. But they're basically looking for somebody to create social media posts, reply to comments, and track their social media marketing efforts. So you're going to support the manager to develop and execute an entire social media strategy. You'll post content to the official social media accounts using their content management system. You'll manage that social media editorial calendar, creating content that will help reach organizational goals, optimizing and analyzing those posts for engagement. So you want people to be liking them and commenting on them. Now, they are looking for somebody who has 2 or more years of social media experience, someone who has a great knowledge of social media principles, best practices, someone who's experienced editing and designing in those programs like Premiere Pro or Photoshop or Canva. You got to have great communication skills. And they do want somebody who has a degree in communication or marketing. So this one is going to require that degree. I try to share a lot of positions that don't require a college degree, but again, I throw something in for everyone. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $19.62 an hour all the way up to $29.42 an hour. But if you're looking for a very high-paying social media job, one that does not require a degree, next up we have the company Babylist hiring an Expectful social media associate. Now, Expectful is a health and wellness media company, so they help women before, during, and after pregnancy. They're looking for a social media associate. You're going to be responsible for scheduling their social media posts, curating and sourcing content, coordinating outreach to creators for permission to reshare their content. And you'll also assist in creating that original content for the Expectful channels. You'll draft copy for static posts and captions. You'll update their templates, things like that. You might even also have to do some video production. Again, this is a part-time role. You can be based in the United States, and like I said, no college degree is needed. They want somebody who has 2 to 3 years of relevant work experience, someone who's comfortable working in social media management systems. You've got to be proficient with Google Suite, Google Docs, Google Sheets, all of that, like the Microsoft Word stuff, but in the Google form. You've got to be detail-oriented, have an eye for detail and design, and of course, you've got to have great copywriting skills for those social media channels. Best thing about this job, other than the fact that they're not requiring a degree, they are very high paying, anywhere from $44 an hour all the way up to $66 an hour. If social media is not your thing and you prefer more basic customer service, the company Skyward is hiring a customer success representative. Again, this is part-time for the United States. One thing to quickly note, they do have state restrictions. They can only hire in certain states. They're listed right here. But Skyward is working with building software solutions for K-12 schools. They're looking for someone to join their fast-paced customer service team. They state they don't have a typical call center customer service, that consultants work one-on-one with customers while collaborating with their team to provide training and solutions for the K-12 schools with their software solutions. So you're going to serve, basically you'll be given certain people that you are their consultant. You're going to serve as the front line in the mission to provide the best possible experience for that customer. You're going to develop those personalized implementation plans for the new customers, contributing to the ongoing success. You'll demonstrate outgoing customer service skills and willingness to help them with whatever is needed. So you're going to consult with that customer, evaluating the software functionality, helping them get their system set up to work for them. So this is going to require a little bit of tech knowledge. They are looking for somebody who has a 4-year technical experience using Skyward software, somebody who has a 4-year or 2-year degree or applicable experience preferred, or any combination of education and experience. So if you're very tech savvy, you don't need any kind of degree. You do need great communication skills and be proficient in Microsoft Office. Again, they're looking for somebody to work 20 to 25 hours per week. And unfortunately, they did not list pay. That'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview. If healthcare is your thing, Piedmont Health is hiring a patient connection associate for their float pool. This is a part-time remote daytime schedule. They're looking for somebody to be responsible for pre-registering and scheduling patients' moderately complex procedures and coordinating multiple resources for the patient services. So you'll have to identify patient medical records utilizing their policy and process. You'll have to guide the customer through all interactions that they need, operating and utilizing the scheduling program in the hospital computer system, and you'll respond to correspondence regarding any scheduling changes or cancellations. You'll also have to deal sometimes with payments, supporting the prospective payment program by communicating organizational policies, providing estimates to the patients, financial options for them, explaining their insurance coverage or what their insurance is not covering, and communicating anything that they have to pay, like deductibles, co-insurance, and you'll collect that from them. Now, this does not require any college degree, just a high school diploma or GED and 2 years of customer service experience. And last but not least, we have the Hilton Grand Vacations hiring a remote entry level collector. Again, this is a part-time. Now, their website is a little bit different. The job description is broken up into different columns here. You click on what I'll be doing to see what the job is, and then what they're looking for to see, and then benefits. You have to click, it's not all in one, if you get what I'm trying to say. But they're basically looking for somebody to just perform all collection activity in accordance with the federal guidelines. This collection activity is going to facilitate the maintenance of their delinquent accounts. You'll maintain required levels of phone activity, contact percentages, and other key performance metrics. So you're going to have to legally and ethically handle any correspondence and payments received, maintaining a detailed and organized support documentation. So these are people who have signed up for something and they're not making their payments. You've got to try to collect on them. Again, no college degree is needed, but they do want somebody who has a high school diploma or GED and 1 year of experience in a related field, so probably customer service, great communication skills, and someone who can work flexible schedule Monday through Saturday. They're open from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m., so they need people to be staffed during that time. Now, unfortunately, I could not find pay for this position. Again, that'll have to be discussed at the time of the interview, but they do have benefits that start on day one. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed any of it. Share with all your friends and family. If you're celebrating this holiday weekend, please have a fabulous and safe holiday, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.